I am Professor Shin Jong-woo from Shinhan University, specializing in future education. Regarding the impact of generative AI on knowledge, virtue, and physical education, especially knowledge, I will discuss educators' response strategies. The partial replacement of education by generative AI is causing significant changes in the education sector. Educators can adopt several key strategies to respond effectively. First, educators can use AI as a tool to personalize student learning. AI can analyze learning data and create customized learning plans for each student's style and level. This allows students to learn at their own pace and enables instructors to provide more effective guidance. Secondly, with AI, education that enhances critical thinking and problem-solving skills is more important than just delivering information. Instructors should help students develop a critical perspective and use creative approaches to solve problems during AI-assisted information searches. Various teaching methods like discussion-based classes, problem-based learning, PBL, and project-based learning can be introduced. Thirdly, collaborating with AI can foster a creative and cooperative learning environment. Instructors can promote activities where students solve problems or generate ideas together using AI. For example, group projects or cooperative learning activities with AI can enhance learning through interaction. Instructors can provide experiences where students use AI to achieve common goals. Lastly, instructors should emphasize education on ethics and digital literacy. With AI advancements, issues like privacy protection and data ethics are becoming important. Instructors should teach relevant ethics to ensure responsible AI use. And through digital literacy education, guide students to make correct decisions in the digital world. In conclusion, as generative AI replaces parts of education, instructors should use AI as a tool, enhance critical thinking and problem-solving skills, create a creative and cooperative learning environment, and teach ethics and digital literacy to prepare students for the future. This way, instructors can adapt to the changing educational landscape and support students' overall growth.